The kiwi dessert. You will need 7 sour kiwis, 7 tablespoons sugar, 6 tablespoons water, 6 tablespoons water, 7 tablespoons sugar. Bring water to a boil and add sugar. Stir until the sugar is melted. Buy 7 sour kiwis. Slice the kiwi and don't forget to smile. Put the sliced kiwi into a saucepan with water and sugar and stir for 2-3 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and wait 15 minutes. When it cools, enjoy and don't forget to smile. It's really delicious. Enjoy the dessert. And don't forget to smile.